Hello, I'm Bruce Brumblow for Visible Assets. This video can be used to guide you in giving your own RuBee demonstration. We'll begin with a demo kit that is already set up and operational. The kit consists of a Ranger antenna, a blaster, Finder software that runs on a PC, a handheld that can be used to read and program tags, and a variety of RuBee tags. The details for their operation are included in the demo kit manual. This video will describe how to do a demo in front of a customer so they understand RuBee as a technology. RuBee tags and antennas perform in different ways depending upon the antenna direction, tag angle, and tag direction. This 12 by 17 inch Ranger antenna has 3 different directions of transmission. X faces through the center of the antenna, Y to the left and right along the length of the antenna, and Z up and down along the top of the antenna. RuBee tags have the strongest signal strength when they are coplanar or parallel to the antenna coil. Tags have the lowest signal strength when they are orthogonal or 90 degrees to the antenna. One thing to remember is not all tags have the coil around the face. Some tags, such as this PT tag, has the coil facing the edge, so check with someone if you're not sure. Your kit comes with several sample tags. Each tag form has a different function. The longest range tag for the demos is the T tag. This should get at least 12 feet when coplanar and in the X. The PT tags all still have about 8 to 10 feet of range. On still, they can have ranges of 20 to 22 feet with the Ranger antenna. The C tag was designed for the DOE and has a range of about 8 feet. It has been matched to a special portal antenna for detection of cell phones. For our first demonstration, we'll show the tag in the wallet demonstration. Start by placing a Ranger antenna on a table or chair, then tune it by pressing Tune on the Finder software. Now with the tag in your wallet or pocket, enter the tag's ID number into the Finder software and hit Go to start pinging the tag. Now you can walk around the room with the tag, and in most cases, if the antenna is in the right place, it will read anywhere in an office or boardroom. It makes a ding sound that will repeat faster when you're closer to the antenna and lessen as you walk away. This sound is effective in showing where the signal starts and stops. Now as you can have the wallet here, you can turn and show that your body does not block the signal of the tag. A point to make here is that RuBee is the only technology that is not line of sight. It goes through humans, so even if it is kept on your body won't block the signal. For our next demonstration, we'll show how RuBee reads volumetrically. First we'll take a 2T tag to show the distance that it reads when coplanar and orthogonal in the X, Y, and Z axis. What I'm going to show here is the different axis and the different angles. So first here we have in the X, coplanar, because the coil in the tag is parallel to the coil in the antenna, so coplanar X. Here, the coils are parallel, so it's coplanar Y. The coils are parallel, so it's coplanar Z. Here we have X in the orthogonal, which means the coils are parallel to each other. Y in the orthogonal, and Z in the orthogonal. This shows that RuBee is volumetric and not directional. While RuBee is volumetric and has a large read area around the antenna, RFID is highly directional and reads like the beam of a flashlight. For next demonstration, we'll show how RuBee reacts with water. RuBee is not blocked by water, nor is the signal lessened. Water blocks all radio waves and not magnetic waves. What we'll do is take a clear glass filled with water, take a 2T tag that you know is waterproof, or put the tag in a plastic bag such as this one, just so you know it's tested and it is waterproof. What you do is you show the signal outside of the glass, move it back and forth, show the distance, and then you put it in the water, show it at the same distance, and show that it reads exactly the same in the water and out of the water. For our next demonstration, we'll be showing how RuBee reacts with still. For the still demo, we'll be showing a tag inside of a metal can. We use stainless steel cans like this one, but a soup can is just as effective. Put the tag in the can so it is vertical and show it can be pinged. It will lose about 50% of range, but that is only because of detuning. If the tag is tuned properly for the metal it is next to, then we lose no range at all. The signal is not blocked, just detuned. You can even take a piece of aluminum foil or close the lid on the top, and it still works. We never demonstrate discovery in a live demonstration. Discovery is an advanced technical issue, and if utilized correctly, you can discover 2 to 3 tags per second depending on angle and environment. Pings mean you know the ID number of the tag and simply need to check to see if they are there. Pings rated up to 8 tags per second. These demos have been done as shown in this video hundreds of times without failure. That is because we practice and double check all of the equipment for proper function before showing to a customer. Just be sure to do the test of the equipment before displaying. The best way to ping a tag is to have a standard ID number for your demo tags you can memorize. Let's say you name your first tag 10, then you name your next tag 15, then 20, and 25, and so on. Always have a handheld ready to check IDs, and be sure not to duplicate IDs. Thank you for watching, and we hope this has been helpful in your demonstration. This has been Bruce Brumbelow for Visible Assets.